Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. Just for your information, the language here is in fact Jinghpaw, one of the Kachin languages. In this episode, we're going to make sentences with places. Let's first learn the names of places. School, Jong, Jong. Church, Noku Jong, Noku Jong. Work, job, Bung Li, Bung Li. Home, Nta, Nta. Friend's home, Menang Nta, Menang Nta. Market, Gat, Gat. Restaurant, Lu Sha Sang, Lu Sha Sang. It's interesting to note that in Jinghpaw language, Lu Sha Sang literally describes what people do at restaurants. Usually people drink and eat at restaurants. So, Lu means drink. Sha means eat. Sang means shop. Restaurant, Lu Sha Sang, basically means a shop where people eat and drink. It's good to know the meaning of individual words and how those individual words are combined to make a word. In that way, you can remember it longer, hopefully. Where are you going? Garade sana rai. Garade sana rai. Where? Garade. Garade. Go. Sa. Sa. In Jinghpaw language, we don't change verb tenses to signify the time. Instead, we add an extra word to show the time. For example, here, where are you going? It's not happening yet. It's more like a plan. Going to go. For that, to signify the time, we add the extra word na. Sana. Sana. Garade sana rai. Garade sana rai. Where are you going? Is actually asking, what's your plan? To answer this question, we need to know the pattern. The pattern is very easy. It's just place, sana. If you want to say, I'm going to school, Jong sana. Jong sana. I'm going to church, Noku Jong sana. Noku Jong sana. I'm going to work, Bung Li sana. The difference, Nang Garade sana rai. Grace Jom Go. Ngai pe sora ai ni ngai de sana.